Welcome, today in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast this feature is and as it works. So let's start. We should swipe to unlock it, so I'll just change it in the settings here to the security and biometrics to just directly unlock the device with the face. Just don't stay on the lock screen after unlocking. So let's just try. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, face unlock feature works here correct and fast. We can unlock the device less than in 1 second. This is the really good result. I just want to try one more thing because I set up my face recognition with the glasses, and now I'll try to unlock the device without of them, and we will see that it works. So 1, 2, 3. As we can see, face unlock feature works also correct here, so just no problem with the glasses or without of them. That's recognize you. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or pin codes or patterns. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.